Hi everybody, how are you? Welcome in this lesson number 2 of the module number 1. Today we carry on with the family and we emphasize on the verb to be, le verbe être. Also, I could say it's the lesson dedicated on possessive articles, on possessive adjectives. You know, for instance, you have the translation of my, your, his, or her, you know. My in red, it is mon, my brother, it is mon frère, you know. My sister, it is ma, oh, sorry, just a minute. Well, oh my God. Yeah. Mon frère, my brother, ma sœur, my sister, ma sœur, okay? Mes frères, my brothers, mes frères, okay? In blue, you have the translation of your, ton frère, your brother, ta sœur, your sister, or tes sœurs, your sisters or your brothers. Okay? Tes frères or tes sœurs. Okay? In green, there is a translation of is or her. Okay? His brother, son frère, you know, his sister or her sister, sa sœur, in any case, for woman or man, his sister or her sister, sa sœur, and ses frères, for instance, his brothers or her brothers, you know, ses frères, you know, at the plural, okay? In any case, you have the masculine, mon, feminine, ma, plural, mes. Masculine, ton, feminine, ta, and plural, tes. Okay? Tes frères. Masculine, son frère. Feminine, sa sœur. And plural, ses frères. Okay? I would like to take profit of this lesson to speak about the me, te, ce. We are going to speak very quickly of that because it is for next lessons. But I want to speak to you about that. Je me lave. It is I wash myself. I wash myself. The translation of myself is me, you know. If you say you wash yourself, it is tu te laves, you know. Tu te laves. And for he washed himself, you say il se lave. Okay? That means when you have when the verb doesn't start with the vowel, it is a consonant. You use the je me ou tu te ou il se. But when the verb starts with a vowel, for instance, il s'appelle, the a vowel, okay? You cannot say ma fille se appelle. No good. You have to use the s apostrophe, you know. For instance, je m'appelle, tu t'appelles, il s'appelle. OK? We could say il m'attire. Il m'apprend, you know. Il t'apprend. He teach you. Il t'apprend le français. He teach you the French language. You know, il t'apprend because apprend, it starts with the vowel. Okay? Well, it was, we could say, a parenthesis, you know. Now, we are going to make phrases with the verb to be and to use vocabularies, families vocabulary. Sorry. I'm Laura and my daughter's first name is Anna. Well, je suis Laura et ma fille s'appelle Anna. You remember? You don't say ma fille, le prénom de ma fille est Anna. You don't say that. You say ma fille s'appelle Anna. Okay, I'm Laura and my daughter's first name is Anna. Okay. This woman is Laura. This baby is Hannah. It's a girl, baby girl. Okay. I'm Laura and my daughter's first name is Anna. Je suis Laura. You repeat after me, please. Je suis Laura et ma fille s'appelle Anna. Okay. And now, je m'appelle Laura. Okay, perfect. Anna is a baby. Anna est un bébé. Okay? As you can see, you have S apostrophe, M apostrophe here. Okay? If you are speaking to the woman, she's Laura. If you are speaking to her and you say, tu t'appelles Laura. Your first name is Laura. Okay? Well, my sister and my cousins are students. Ma sœur, my sister, and mes cousines, my cousins, sont étudiantes. Do you remember? They are students. Okay? You repeat after me, please. Ma sœur et mes cousines sont étudiantes. Okay, and the three of them, they are speaking to you and they say, we are students. And they are speaking to you and they say, nous sommes étudiantes. You repeat, nous sommes étudiantes. Well, now we go on the second page of this lesson. You are my granddaughter. You know, imagine I'm the grandfather and I speak to this girl, this little girl, very nice girl, very good girl. Yeah. And I speak to her and I say, you are my granddaughter. You are with your mother or with your mom. Okay? That means in French, tu es ma petite fille. I say to her, tu es ma petite fille. You repeat after me. Tu es ma petite fille. Okay. Tu es avec ta mère. Okay. That means you are with your mother. Or avec ta maman. Okay? That means with your mom. It's normal when you are speaking to little girl or a little boy or child, you don't say ta mère. It's not very good. It's more correct to say ta maman. The same in English. Your mother, your mom. It's much better to speak with a child. You say mum. Okay? I would like you to repeat after me all the sentence. Tu es ma petite fille, tu es avec ta mère, avec ta maman. Okay. It's very important for you to use the good pronunciation in French, you know. Well, it's the reason why I ask you to listen my voice, to listen my pronunciation in French. Not in English, because, as I told you, my English is not perfect. But my French is good, because I'm French. Yeah. And, well, John is my son, is young. Well, is John. John est mon fils. John is my son. John est mon fils. Il est jeune. Is young. Jeune, okay? The adjective, jeune, young. Well, repeat after me, please. You listen for the moment. John est mon fils, il est jeune. Okay, John est mon fils, il est jeune. Very good. Luc now. Luc is this man, okay? Luc is with his grandfather. The grandfather is here. Luc est avec son grand-père. Luc is with his grandfather. Luc est his, avec, with, son, his, grand-père, grandfather. Okay? They are happy. Ils sont heureux. Yes, they smile. Very good. They smile. They are happy. Well, you repeat after me. Luc est avec son grand-père. Ils sont heureux. All the sentence now. Luc est avec son grand-père. Ils sont heureux. Okay. Now we are speaking about Elizabeth. Elizabeth is this woman here. Elizabeth is with her family. Exactly. Yes, of course. All the people around the table. Very good family. Maybe it could be her husband, a child, another maybe her sister here, or why not? I don't know. Maybe the father, or yeah. It's not a problem, okay? Elizabeth is with her family. Elizabeth est avec sa famille. Elizabeth is avec, with, her, sa famille. Elizabeth est avec sa famille. You repeat? You repeat, please. Elizabeth est avec sa famille. Correct. She is very happy. Yes, she sounds to be very happy. Elle est très heureuse. She is, elle est, very, très, happy, heureuse. Okay? You can see the difference. Heureux here, masculine, is heureux. And heureuse, feminine, here. Okay? Repeat after me all the sentence, please. Elisabeth est avec sa famille, elle est heureuse. Again, Elisabeth est avec sa famille, elle est heureuse. Okay, my friends, okay, it's the end of this lesson number 2. It's very good. You are going to make progress very quickly, I'm sure, because you are winners. Okay, take care. Bye. See you soon.